Today na Friday, of course, you know, say when Friday reach like this, with the knack you music, left, right, center music, it not go lack for your system. Whether na your office today or na your workshop where you dey work, na there you dey chop, or you dey drive on top Tomela Bridge, anywhere you are, will just make you dey nod your head anyhow like a gamma lizard. But make sure say if you dey drive, you use your seat belt because we're not going to be liable for anything we do you as you dey drive. Today not be just Friday. Today na follow Friday. Of course, you know, say as they go every Friday. If you follow us on Twitter, we will follow you back. Just follow us at Niger 102 FM, and we will follow you back immediately. Today is a spiritual Friday, not an ordinary Friday. It is the last Friday of the month. Many people they call it salary. So it's a very, very spiritual Friday. Let me say most of the club go full today. You know, so usually like towards the end of the month, you say, my guy now go club. You say, my guy, I'm not in the mood. I tire and I lie. Your money don't finish. Your money are finished. But today you collect your salary. So now you will call your guys now. Hello, Jimmy, where you there? You now go club today. Alright. But for some people where your spiritual problem is borrowing. As they collect salary, they pay back, so you not gonna get money. Whose problem is it? It's not mine, it's your problem. Alright, you know, as they go, enter Facebook, www.facebook.com/102.7 Niger FM. Like our page, and you will be part of our family. You know, say if you not be the part of the family, you not be follow us shop for the same plate. So once you like the family, you can now follow we and shop. Anyways, we get one surprise for now for inside the house. We don't hear the advert says they play, say almost the biggest party in Nigeria is coming down July 1st. We don't give out tickets, everybody, you know, different things. And they win the tickets. But today we have the #1 DJ in the whole of Africa in the building today. I know say as I talk and I go on the talk and I say, oh my gosh, Jimmy, Jimmy Jad, oh my gosh, DJ Jimmy Jad in the building.
I just waiting there.
Best clap for you. No. You need this clap. Bros, artist now.
I the manager, I do here.
Bros, if this your own manager, I want to manage my life. Oh.
The manager.
Even this your smile, yeah, you smile, they talk how they manage.
You know, so you get some things, you get where you go reach, and just to the smile they go.
Shebi.
You know,
and now they bring smile to people's face. You know, say when we don't break some girls' heart like this and we need to make up, we just carry them come around well on a day. By the time when I play the first song, second song, the girls, oh my god, that's my track.
You don't make up with that.
And now they make us they spend all the money because you go see some kind of song when I play, the girl will just sit down and say, oh, I don't like that song. Again, the kind of song when I go play, the girl will say, oh my god, baby, come here. She will come to and give, she begin rock you, and you go say, hey, what's champagne? Bros, how far?
I did. How you doing, man?
We did. Thank you. So you come inside our studio today.
As I just enter here, I come down to the envy you, sha.
Heavy me say waiting.
Me say for the sit down for this kind of share.
Bros, if you sit down for this kind of share, we are strange. You make a they travel the place, they travel, they collect the money, and not mind.
Not the airport. I meet you last. Man, no open you here.
Not you know, say sometimes if I carry this headphone, they feel like DJ. Because as they carry headphone and they press button song they play, they feel like DJ. They learn for where DJ Jimmy Jad, all the A-list shows for inside Nigeria and outside Nigeria everywhere at DJ Jimmy Jad. And of course in down there, if you go down there hear some kind of songs, Call Me Jay, We Don't Rain, Wood Everywhere, and you get one new one where you just Spain, yeah.
Offer for me. They know key person.
Nice one. What do you bring about that one, bro?
It's just a continuation of what we don't they do now. We get to at every interval, maybe just they put something out, make people who they, you know, maybe they preach unification. Just collaborate with artists collaborate with DJ. You know, maybe just they put something there, make our people they feel you know, that kind of thing.
Okay.
But the album will come out later, but not be this year, sha.
You will bring out some kind of people for this. I know say Vector they on top the track.
Vector they, You know, this one I just say I put lesser number of people on this one, so now 2 people did this one. But,
Just 2 people.
Yes.
Okay, you're not going to hear the song and Jimmy Jad in the building, and of course, you know, say it go down. Of course, it go down this weekend. Cool DJ Jimmy Jad.
Yes, so that's the main event for on Sunday. Jump off. When I say jump off, not mean say make person go third mainland go.
No, not be that time of jump off.
That's why we even they say make them close third mainland for that day.
But you know, say now jump off and make I give you the right description where you go use. You know, so you get that part, you get the kind of party where you go.
Yeah.
Girls they wear high heel, they do. Oh my gosh. You get the kind of party where they go. Then they pull their heels, climb the couch for the club.
Yes.
So now they jump off with that.
Jump off with that. You know, but seriously, I mean, me as I did like that, I just a jolly for inside say the show they come safe. You know, because waiting we get planned, man. Until I see himself, I don't go rest. You know, we get 12 get DJs where they come. 12, 1 dozen. 1 dozen DJ now would they put for there. Artists where would they put now like 4 dozen.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
That is like back to back. So now basically it go come be like you did the party.
Yes.
But for every song where they play, the artist they perform them live.
Then they on stage.
Bam.
Then the video itself they go on the screen.
Oh,
then you know the football day that day with they show the match for the biggest screen where they this Lagos on that day. Believe what now they tell you big pass the one with the stadium. You understand?
Alright, party people waiting you they wait for all of them where they out there where they hear the biggest party they go down this weekend and July 1st Sunday for Get Arena. Get Arena they opposite Oriental Hotel in case you don't know.
Before you go read that where they buy things so.
Yeah, just opposite Oriental Hotel. Red carpet is out by 6 p.m. and event will kick off 7 p.m. sharp. So in case you want to show yourself on the red carpet, you want to show off your sweet sexy clothes, I'm going to make sure that they by 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock sharp the thing will start. This kind of party where they bring together all the celebrities and they go for just token fee of the gate fee like just 2k 2,000 naira regular and VIP 10,000 naira. Okay, before I take this break I need to tell you where you go buy tickets before you go begin rush. Now, VIP tickets, 10,000 naira. Tickets, they are available for Delta Kitchen, The Hub, Barcelos, The Place, Get Arena, Silverbet Galleria, Ouch Couture, Coco Lounge, and Mama Cass. In case you won't get your ticket. But somebody will win ticket for today.
Not in case, you must get your ticket. Why they put in case now?
Alright, I'm ready. You know, say some people don't use English, some people say, shoot in case. Alright, when they come back, then we take this break small. Just groove to this one now. The spin of by me, DJ Jimmy Jad on the wheels of steel. I be the steel of wheels. Anyway, we both collab. And of course, Vector there on top of this track. And
Tanim.
Yeah. No good.
Look out for him.
102.7. Don't touch that die. If you touch the die, I touch you in the wrong place. You know if you afford to miss this party. So all them Maula girls, sorry, Unilag girls, gather your begin to make all your calls. Now when they don't talk, say courts don't give others, say the thing still be Unilag small. See them, like I told you, seriously, we'll win the battle. Which battle? You know, see that time when they change the name to Maulag, all of them call humble. They're not going to put up too much pictures for their DP again. You know, before I am a student of Unilag, they go through their hair. You know when they change them to Moshood. Moshudites, they can't change their pattern. Now, if you are Maulag, it means say they're not going to freak Brazilian hair. You go to plate shuku and base all back, you know, the sky hairstyle. Then you go bump all your eyebrow, replace that with eye pencil. You can't put 1 dot for top of your chin. You know, as they go, they're not going to wear as you a big book class. But God don't help on that, they reverse them, so you can now carry your swagger up. Alright, all the babes in Lagos, all the party people, all the big boys, no other place where you go day on the 1st of July, Sunday, except today for the Jimmy's Jump Off, the biggest party. Me, I go day there. In fact, I don't day there already. I will not give you all the details. Now, some people go win some tickets for the show. I will give out tickets on top of Facebook and for our phone line. So, how we go do them? Okay. Call us up 014623778 014623779. I've been just called the names of all the DJs we go there. Give us names of just 3.
Three.
Just
Only.
3.
Shiri, only Shiri.
Shaking now, just three.
Shiri of farm.
Three. Hey, well, wait. Just give us three, and you know, they just say they get what we know the trend on Twitter. This is real say. They say you will know she's a Yoruba girl. Give you number. It's 080 31 43. All right, so just three DJs. Once again, 0146237778, 0146237779. Visit us for our Facebook